you say. Special love, at least you say. Special love, at least you say. I don't know how I'm gonna match up the audio, but I'll try. Okay, bro. I got my camera. I gotta. Oh fuck, bro. My back hurts. How funny. It's already cold today. Like, it really is already cold today. So, I may get cold quick. After turning that on, I may get cold quick, so I'll make it back up at some point in the video. Turn that right back off. So out of breath. I really hope I can figure out if I can how to sync that. In this video, I'll definitely do so, but I have no idea if I'll be able to. But yeah! Some Shrekardo. Let's get righto. Shit! I'm all over the place, man. I don't know, bro. Oh, I'm so out of breath, bro. I'm trying to lose my weight, boys. This man was thinking, bro.
Command.
The motherfucker better not be high again. He's not answering my call. Where the fuck is Stark, man?
Stark, do you read me? Why don't they?
He says Stark.
Sir.
Tony Stark.
Buzz Lightyear mission log start date 4077000700120002.
It's a long ass code. You know what would be funny if there was an 8 in there? He would have been like 8008. 80082. If you guys know what I'm saying, you're awesome.
Terrain seems a bit unstable. No readout. Hello. And there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere. Hello.
Hey, whoa.
Such a late reaction. What are you?
Hey, whoa. Did I frighten you? Didn't mean to. Saudi. My name is Wendy's, and this is my spot. See the bed here?
Local.
Yes.
Do people still use stuff?
Yes. Just yes.
Well, let's see. We got double A's.
I'm from Play School, and I'm from Mattel. Well, I'm not really from Mattel. I'm actually from a smaller company that was purchased in...
All right, that's enough.
Jesus,
Look,
what
we're
happened?
all very impressed with Andy's new toy.
Toy?
T-O-Y. Toy.
Excuse me, I think the word you're searching for is toy.
The word I'm searching for, I can't say.
Yeah, I can't say it. Oh wait, well he's about to charge up. The mouth movements, y'all. He was about to say something. It wasn't gonna start with an F. What was he about to say? What was he about to say? He wasn't about to say.
I can't say.
This is Space Ranger. Actually do.
He's not a space ranger. He doesn't fight evil or shoot lasers or fly.
Excuse me. I can
Just
fly.
blows him up.
Can't.
Yes, I can.
You can't.
Can.
Can't.
Can.
He skips the entire thing. Can. Yo.
Ooh, yeah. Ho, 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 ho.
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with him, bro? I just realized in this scene in the movie he was trying to repair the spaceship. Buddy, it is a box. Oh my god. I did not process that till now. He was trying to rebuild. He was trying to repair a fucking box, bro. I am so dead, bro. But it ain't working with nothing down there, bro. It's a box.
Hey, guys, look. It's the real Buzz Lightyear.
Your mom.
Oh, no. But hey, look,
9 business days later. That's the longest laugh. What the fuck was happening? He's like, oh, he about to slam dunk some shit.
It's Sid. No, not Sid. Who is it this time?
Sid.
Right, it's just
There's a hairy fella.
Toys, just for fun.
Sus.
sus.
I mean, Humpty Dumpty was pushed by Woody. Your Honor, dirtbag.
You're a dirtbag, right? So just own it. Just say
This is just- I just own it.
I'm a dirtbag.
Hey, couldn't handle buzz cut time, could you, Woody? Didn't want to face the truth, so you got rid of him.
Buddy?
Buddy?
Buzz! Ha! You're alive! This is great! Oh! I'm saved! I'm saved! Andy will find you here! He'll...
Damn! That just should happen and we immediately start throwing hands. Oh shit, I'm jealous, bro. God damn, you saw it. Ooh, bro, not to me?
Doesn't he realize that I'm not there? No! Long.
Why you happy? Why you sad? Why you sad, Woody? You should be happy, bro. You got stepped on by Buzz.
They seem to be at a huge.
Let me take my horny ass on somewhere, bro. What the fuck am I talking about?
refueling station of some sort. Aerosmith of some sort. Aerosmith. First place.
Oh, yeah, well, if you...
Oh yeah, yeah, but if you the delivery on that, yeah.
If you hadn't shown up your stupid little cardboard spaceship and taken away everything that was important to me...
Don't talk to me about imports. Because of you, the security
Imports?
of this entire universe is in jeopardy.
Wow! What are you talking about?
What are you talking
Is
about?
at the edge of the galaxy, and Parts has been secretly building a weapon with the destructive capacity to annihilate an entire planet. I alone have information that reveals this weapon's only weakness. And you, my friend, are responsible for delaying my rendezvous with Stark.
Oh, yeah?
If it was what music, it would have been like, more. Like, oh shit! I had a feeling he was gonna butcher him.
Racist little man.
You said racist, little man?
You racist little man.
Oh, yeah?
No, Hannah. Look, Janie. Hey, she's sick. No, she's not. To perform one of my operations. Oh no, we have a sick patient here, nurse. Prepare the OR. Stat. No one's ever attempted a double bypass brain transplant before. Now for the tricky part.
I don't believe that man's ever been to medical school.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Doctor, you've done it.
I was expecting that. What is happening?
Best of all, hi.
To infinity and your mama's house.
Buzz, are you okay?
And suddenly you find yourself sucking.
What happened?
You find
Happened to you?
one minute you're defending the whole galaxy, and suddenly you find yourself sucking.
I got the reference. I know who that is.
I'm sorry. You're right. I am just a little depressed. That's.
This way. Years of academy training wasted.
I got a better idea. How about we don't?
Potato head.
We'll take stupid pills this morning.
Hold
Damn.
on, Potato Head. Buzz is fine. Buzz is right here. Buzz, come over here and you can tell the nice boy.
Close-up magic.
What happened?
Close-up magic.
Buzz is fine. Buzz is right here. Buzz, come over here and you can tell the nice boy.
Close-up magic.
How the fuck? How did he do that?
The big one.
The big one.
The big one! What is the big one?
Right. No. What just happened, bro? I don't even know what just happened. I'll be so real. I didn't check if I've already seen this before. Let me check. For a second, for a second I thought that was it. No, that one's okay. This one's about Alpaca Hawk. Yeah. Okay, the video we just watched was from Ricardo. Dude, WV, I'm even like W video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it seems like a short video. I think I have no clue. Oh no, 15 minutes. That's good. I cannot like focus on shit. I tell you what, like, see, I'm already rambling. I'm supposed to be go ahead and end this video off and then go ahead and start uploading. I'm rambling. you see what I'm talking? This is the perfect textbook of what I'm talking about. What is wrong with me, bro? I'm out of here, bro. Like, went to me, confess your love, at least you say, confess your love, at least you say, confess your. What is wrong with me, man? Okay, I'm good. I'm sorry. I'm just promise you, I'm not trying to drag this. I'm literally just. I'm ridiculous, bro. If you're still here, you're cool. You're cool for that. I'm glad you fuck with me for real. Like that, be a bro. Like, yeah. Oh shit! Hold on! Oh shit! Oh shit! Bow! 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 Oh shit! Okay, see you guys next time. Peace. I'm gone.